Ether is that which all physical phenomena occur in, and the motion of waves is formed within it. James Clerk Maxwell. Ether, the mystery of existence. Does the universe contain something beyond what we perceive? Is there a hidden force flowing between matter and energy, between consciousness and space? From ancient alchemists to modern physicists, from Indian yogis to Greek philosophers, humanity has always sought to understand something they called ether. But what is ether? Is it a mystical force or a fundamental element? What is ether? The concept of ether in human thought. Ether is one of the oldest concepts introduced to explain the nature of reality and the structure of the universe. The term, rooted in ancient Greece, means subtle air or celestial light. Throughout history, this concept has been redefined in natural sciences, philosophy, metaphysics, and even modern physics. Ether is the fifth element. In ancient traditions, the universe was believed to be composed of four fundamental elements: earth, water, air, and fire. However, some philosophers argued that there was something beyond these elements, something that encompassed everything yet remained invisible. Aristotle called it the fifth element and believed celestial bodies were made of this essence. Ether in philosophy and mysticism. Ether in Greek philosophy. Plato. He divided reality into the world of senses and the world of ideas. Some interpreters of Platonic philosophy suggest that ether serves as a bridge between the two. Pythagoras. He believed the universe was structured based on music and invisible frequencies, a concept that bears similarities to modern quantum field theories. Ether in Eastern philosophy. In ancient India, ether was known as akasa, meaning space or the invisible essence. In Ayurveda, ether is considered the most subtle element, binding all others together. Ether in Islamic mysticism and Sufism. Mystics like Ibn Arabi and Shirawardi spoke of pure light, a concept closely resembling ether. In Sufi thought, this light could be seen as a divine manifestation, filling the universe with energy. Ether in science and physics. The ether theory in classical physics. During the 19th century, physicists believed that light, like sound waves, required a medium for propagation. Thus, the luminiferous ether theory was introduced, proposing that an invisible substance filled the universe. However, the Michelson-Morley experiment, 1887, disproved this idea, leading to its rejection. Ether in modern physics theories. Although classical ether was abandoned, some modern scientific theories suggest a similar concept. Zero-point energy field. What appears to be empty space is actually filled with unseen energy. Quantum field theory demonstrates that vacuum is full of energy fluctuations, bearing a resemblance to the ancient notion of ether. Ether and metaphysical forces. Ether as a vital force. In many esoteric traditions, ether is believed to be the life force pervading everything. It has different names in various cultures. Prana in India, Chi in China, Mana in Polynesian traditions. Ether and consciousness. Some theorists propose that human consciousness can interact with ether. This could explain the abilities of mediums, healers, and mystics who claim to harness this energy. Ether and practical applications. Ether in meditation and energy healing. Various practices in yoga, qigong, and meditation aim to connect with etheric energy. Some healers believe manipulating this energy can lead to spiritual and physical healing. Can ether be used for technology? Some independent researchers claim that etheric energy can be harnessed as a source of free energy. One of the most famous figures who explored this idea was Nikola Tesla. The enduring mystery of ether. Throughout history, ether has been both dismissed and re-embraced. Scientifically, there is still no definitive answer regarding its existence, yet it continues to play a crucial role in philosophy, mysticism, and metaphysics. Ether in modern cosmology. Can ether be the key to understanding the universe? Modern cosmologists have proposed theories to explain some of the universe's mysterious phenomena, such as dark matter and dark energy, which bear similarities to the ancient concept of ether. Ether and general relativity. Albert Einstein rejected the classical concept of ether with his theory of general relativity, but he later stated that empty space has physical properties, which resembles the idea of ether. In relativity theory, the curvature of spacetime can be viewed as behaving similarly to an ether-like field. Ether and dark energy. Today, scientists use dark energy to explain the accelerating expansion of the universe, yet its true nature remains unknown. Some theorists believe this mysterious energy could be a modern version of the ancient ether that fills the cosmos. Ether and paranormal connections. Could ether be a bridge between mind and matter? Some parapsychological theories suggest that ether might be the force allowing humans to act beyond the limits of their five senses. Ether and telepathy. Some experimental studies suggest that individuals can communicate mentally over long distances. This phenomenon might be possible through an ether-like field that connects everything in existence. Ether and out-of-body experiences, OBE, astral travel. Many individuals report sensations of leaving their bodies during sleep or meditation, embarking on journeys beyond the physical realm. In esoteric texts, such travels are often linked to the etheric plane, which is closely associated with the concept of ether. Ether and future scientific advancements. Can science rediscover ether? With advancements in quantum physics and modern theories, some scientists propose that something similar to ether may indeed exist. Research on the zero-point field has shown that even in absolute vacuum, energy persists. Technologies based on ether. Some theorists claim that etheric energy could serve as an infinite power source. Nikola Tesla asserted that he had built a device to harness energy from ether, yet many of his documents mysteriously disappeared after his death. Whether as a scientific concept or a metaphysical force, ether remains one of humanity's greatest enigmas. Perhaps one day, science will definitively prove that ether is the invisible force that permeates the entire universe and connects all things together. Ether and practical methods to experience it. If ether truly exists, can it be experienced? Many esoteric schools, yogis, mystics, and even some independent scientists have suggested methods for perceiving and interacting with this invisible force. In this section, we explore exercises that are said to help individuals reach a state of awareness where they can connect with ether. Ether meditation, connecting with cosmic energy. Goal: enhance sensitivity to subtle energies and experience the etheric field around you. How to practice: quiet environment. Sit in a peaceful room with dim lighting. Deep breathing. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Imagine that with each inhale, you are absorbing a delicate energy from the space around you. Focus on space. After a few minutes, visualize that the space around you is not just filled with air, but with a transparent, living field. Feeling vibrations. Some individuals report sensations like tingling, warmth, or subtle bodily changes, which might indicate an awareness of etheric energy. Consistent practice. Perform this exercise daily for 10 to 20 minutes and record any changes you experience. Ether vision training, seeing the unseen. Goal: observe subtle vibrations in the air that some believe are linked to ether. How to practice: stand against a bright background, such as a clear blue sky. Relax your eyes and maintain a soft, unfocused gaze. Try to focus on the space between objects rather than the objects themselves. Some people claim to see tiny glowing points or invisible movements in the air. While this phenomenon may have biological explanations, some interpret it as evidence of ether's presence. Etheric healing. Channeling etheric energy for healing. Goal: absorb and direct etheric energy to heal the body and mind. How to practice: bring your hands close together, leaving a small gap between them. Sense an invisible field between your palms. Slowly move your hands and feel as if a soft, unseen energy, like a gentle, elastic ball, is present between them. With continuous practice, some individuals claim to feel warmth, vibrations, or even a slight pressure between their hands. Ether in contact with other dimensions. If ether acts as a bridge between the physical world and invisible realms, could it facilitate communication with other dimensions? Ether and near-death experiences, NDEs. Some near-death experience reports describe individuals feeling as though they enter a luminous, ethereal space, remarkably similar to traditional descriptions of ether. Astral travel and the etheric plane. Esoteric traditions suggest that humans possess an etheric body that can separate from the physical form under certain conditions and travel through an etheric dimension of existence. Techniques such as deep meditation, hypnosis, and out-of-body experience, OBE, training are often recommended for accessing this realm. Will science ever confirm ether? Modern scientific efforts to prove ether. Although the ether theory was dismissed in the late 19th century, some modern physicists suggest that something akin to ether may still exist. Zero-point field theory proposes that even in absolute vacuum, energy fluctuations occur. Superstring theory suggests that the universe may contain hidden dimensions where forces like ether could operate. Could ether enable time and space travel? Some proponents of metaphysical physics believe that if the etheric field could be accessed, it might provide a means for interstellar travel or even time travel. Ether, the endless mystery of existence. Ether has remained a significant concept in philosophy, science, and metaphysics for thousands of years. While modern science has yet to confirm its existence, numerous emerging theories in physics do not entirely rule it out. Is ether an undiscovered scientific reality, or merely a mystical metaphor for the unseen connections between all things? Perhaps the answer will be revealed in the near future. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.